There tomorrow, they will be able to represent the country well.
800 meters Olympic champion Emmanuel Wanyonyi and Mercy Chebet emerged winners in 1500 meters men's and women's race respectively in the Athletics Kenya meet held in Kapsabet, Nandi County. Wanyonyi stormed to victory in 3 minutes and 38 seconds to beat Josephat Kipkurui and Justice Kipkoech, who sealed a podium finish.
I'm giving 1500 meters because I need endurance for 800 meters, but so far I'm really comfortable. For now I need to go Grand Slams Jamaica, 1500 meters and 800 meters nione vile itakuwa.
Nilishinda 100 meters nikafurahia, nikaona mwili na respond. Kama nimekimbia imene nimeona mwili yangu ina respond. Natafuta speed ya 400 ya finishing ndio mwili kupale mzuri.
We are planning to prepare teams. That will be, of course, I have told you about the ones going to Nanjing next week. The next one will be the World Relays, again in Guangzhou in China in May. And then we have the main one in Tokyo in September.
We want to ensure that we improve our sporting facilities so that, as we say, we are a source of champions, we provide facilities that can be able to support that talent identification, talent development, and even the polishing of that talent.
5 local drivers set to take part in this year's WRC Safari Rally have received a shot in the arm from Vivo Energy ahead of the rally scheduled March 20.